How to get Roku channel app on Samsung Smart TV. So in this video, I'll show you how you can get the Roku channel app on your Samsung Smart TV. So first, go ahead and check compatibility. Go to settings, go to support, and then click on about this TV to see your TV's Tizen OS version. Only TVs with Tizen OS 2.3 or newer support the Roku channel app pointer clicker. If your TV is older, you may need a Roku streaming device instead. And then after that, go ahead and open the Samsung Smart app. Press the home button and on your Samsung remote, navigate to apps and search for Roku channel. And in the search bar, type Roku channel. If it appears, your TV supports it. And if it not, your model or region may not be eligible. And then once you find the Roku channel app, select the Roku channel app from the results. Click the install button and wait for the download to finish. And that is how you can basically get Roku channel app on Samsung Smart TV.